My name is Robert Brooks, and the class is Application Development 1. And in this video, I'm going to go over some Milestone 1 implementation difficulties or ease of implementation. Just take it through my Mile 1 progress report here. Let's see here. The loading screen didn't get really a chance, but there is a loading screen there. We'd established this in Milestone 1, where if somebody had already logged on to this device, that they'll see this screen, which is the standard login screen, because I've used this device to test. If I hadn't, you would see a register button underneath there instead of the login in an extra field and asking you to re-enter your password. Well, today we're just going to do a generic login and a oh so hard passcode of 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. Alright, so this is our main menu UI. There's two options or two directions you can go from here. Our new assessment right here, and this is where we fill in information about the person that is taking the assessment. And these are all fictitious numbers, so I'm just putting them in there. Weight, whoops, we need date. And when you go to date, you'll notice at the bottom here, there's a scroll wheel. So you can pick whatever date you want. It will automatically change it to you up there in the date field. Your weight, I'm just going to say 235. That's what I feel comfortable at. My wrist is 14. My waist is 35. My hips are 37. And my, let's see what the other one is, forearm is 16. And last but not least is the activity factor. We can go through, pick your activity. I'm going to say I'm an athlete. I try and train every day. Now we can calculate our body fat, 24%. And that's been calculated against many different tests, caliper tests, all that kind of stuff. It's all within a 2% margin of error, up or down. So I consider it a very accurate calculation for body fat. Now, something that was not supposed to be done until Milestone 2 has actually been implemented in this build, just to give the user a little bit more to work with. This Save Assessment button. You click Save, and it pops up and says the assessment has been successfully saved. What that means is now that we go back to our main menu and hit Progress Report, now all these right here are all ones that have been saved. The last one that we just put in there is the 22nd that we entered in. So if you click on that, it will come up and show your actual assessment for that date. So we're definitely ahead of schedule when it comes to the milestone. Most of the Milestone 2 features have already been implemented in the first milestone. So we're definitely ahead of schedule on that. We have this share button here that is there, but it's not implemented in this build. And what that share button is going to do is going to allow the user to share each assessment results with either their clients, their friends, or whoever they want to share it with. And we go back to the main menu, and that is pretty much it for the fitness assessment fit application. I definitely think I'm going to be adding a couple new features to kind of make it a multi-dimensional application, meaning maybe have an assessment for a female, have an assessment for a male. But I'm going through the process of having that approved right now. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I look forward to seeing everybody else's video. Thanks.